G'day guys, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today's September 9, 2023. This is the Nat Gas price update. First off on the daily, if I zoom in here, you can see there we've got a minor support at 26.32, minor resistance at 27.91, and it's now bouncing off that resistance area for in the short term. If I zoom out, for those new to the channel, we did have this major support at 20.65 and a major resistance at 30.50, and we're expecting it to break above this resistance sometime and hit this minimum target range between the 23 and the 38% level of that Fibonacci range. And that breakout is pretty much projected with this bullish movement in the CCI on the daily. It's showing a bullish divergence. The stochastic down here is still pretty much flatlining along the bottom on the oversold territory, and very minor movement to the upside. So nothing really big to report there. On the hourly, again, there's that minor support and that minor resistance, and it's bounced off that resistance. And the reason for that is we've got this between that range, that Fibonacci range, that's around the 61% level, and that's always a key area to look out for. So if it breaks above that, then it's going to be a reversal of this little trend to the upside. Otherwise, we may see it pull back in the short term to the downside. And that's what this indicator down here is indicating. It's potentially a bearish outlook in the short term. So we may see a bit of a retrace, whereas back here you can see there our indicator down here was showing us potentially going long with an upward bullish movement, and it eventually did break to the upside. So there's no real divergence to speak of. There's a very slight bullish divergence on the CCI there versus that double bottom. That probably had an impact on this retrace to the upside. But again, I didn't want to project that in terms of I like to see a bit more obvious divergence before projecting anything. So to understand how to trade the divergence but also trend trading strategies, subscribe to our Patreon page where we also look at weekly scans of stocks, currencies and commodities. Subscribe, like and share the channel, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in a future video.